Getting yourself real wet.
Yeah, brush those teeth. We're setting stuff up to do a video shoot later on today in the office. I'm getting a haircut at Dapper Gents. It's getting kind of scruffy. It's definitely time. So anyway, next clip will be me with a haircut. Bye, thank you. I got my hair did. Okay, this is what it would look like if I had 3 cameras to film the vlog, and a camera operator, and a sound guy, and a shotgun mic up there, and a lav mic down here. It would be pretty good, but I don't have that much time to film the vlog with all this stuff.
I might actually watch it.
So yeah, maybe I'd get more subscribers. Anyway, hit the subscribe button down below and let me know in the comments if you think I should film the vlog with 3 cameras, 2 microphones, and a cameraman in the background. Sounds like too much work to me. This is why we test stuff. We didn't have a memory card in the Zoom recorder, so we didn't record any audio for the last stuff other than the on-camera microphones. So anyway, we're still not going to record the vlog like this because it's too difficult. So earlier today we were filming our business consultant, and he brought his bicycle into the office because he didn't want to leave it in his car. So he asked me why I haven't been riding my bike, and I said because I don't have any fat guy bike shorts. So I'm at Big Shark, and I'm gonna get some fat guy bike shorts and go ride my bike tonight. I need a nice thick chamois. Are these fat guy sizes? I think I need like double extra large.
XL and 2X here.
Do you have just like
a traditional short?
Yeah. I found a pair of double extra large bike shorts. Hopefully I will shrink down small enough that I don't need these for long. What are you doing?
I think we just changed a poopy diaper.
Oh man, that hurt. I didn't even go all that far, but I'm terribly out of shape. I guess I'll have to try again tomorrow.